Like, god dang, like a shot of liquor. No. Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kie RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by WigTypes. They were kind of sending me another unit to review for you guys. Now I'm gonna go ahead and tell you from jump, this wig is not gonna be for everybody. Okay, you're gonna see why. You're gonna see why. So go ahead and give me a thumbs up for the effort that I put into this wig, because she did not look like this out the pack. Okay, but anyway, before we get into the install, the specs, and what I think about this unit out the pack, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go.
Fired all of the bullets. Yeah, you shot me through the heart. Casting dice and roulettes. The game was set right from the start. I don't wanna go, I don't wanna know, I don't want it anymore. I don't wanna go, don't wanna know, but I keep coming back for more. Crashing down in the plane, all things are burning up. Bang bang like thunder, bang bang like thunder. We're crashing down in it, but our love will never be the same. We're going under, bang bang like thunder, bang bang like thunder. Yeah, the air's getting thinner, higher than high we go. A game with no winners, we keep pushing more and more.
Okay, so like I said, this unit comes to us from WigTypes. It is from the Outre XPression Twisted Up line. This is a lace front braided wig by the name of Butterfly Bomb Twist in 14 inches. I got her in the color 1B, and she does retail around $75. So she's more expensive for a synthetic wig, but she's cheap for a braided wig. You get what I'm saying? This unit does come with lace from ear to ear, as well as a 4x4 lace parting space in the middle. I didn't measure it, but that 4x4 looks real. It looks real small. I feel like for a braided wig for any company, the 4x4 is just not, it's not given. Okay, it's not given. If you're gonna give us a 4x4, at least give us a little bit of the lace around the hairline so that the wig in the front of the unit is not wigging. You know what I'm saying? So like, you know, because I pulled my unit up, but it gives me more of like, you know, a natural hairline if I have like maybe one or two of the actual braids here on the side. The way the baby hairs and the hairline kind of like, it's like a straight line. And that's one thing that I've seen with a lot of braided wigs, whether it's Outre or anyone else. The braided wigs start right at the hairline. It's given more square. Nobody's hairline looks like that. There's no naturalness about that. Like, if you're gonna give a braided wig, pluck the hairline and then add the braided wig. You know what I'm saying? Like, make it look somewhat natural so we don't mind spending the coin on these wigs. Listen. Give me the hairline. But anyway, I did use my knot eraser in the parting space to kind of open that up a little bit. It does come with some baby hairs. Y'all saw me try to swoop them and kind of get them together. In the end, I just left it how it was because they do come a little curly, and I feel like for the bohemian type of look that this could give, the curly like wispy type of baby hairs will look the best. If you do like a whole bunch of swoops on this, I feel like it will look real janky. Well, at least on me. It may look good on somebody else, but for me, the swoops just they weren't giving me what I needed it to give me. You know what I'm saying? Out the pack, I would definitely say this unit was really cute. I liked how it looked when I was holding it up. I had really high hopes for this wig, and then, you know, when I put it on, it was like a shot of liquor. Like, god dang. So as you can see, the hair is twisted, and then they pulled some of the hair out to give that distressed butterfly type of look. I'm pretty sure on her card, they have her pushed behind her hairline. If you guys can see that, like how it's styled in the half up, half down, it actually looks really cute, but that's not what they gave us on here. I'm gonna tell you, Outre, no, I don't know if they put actual like kinky twists around her hairline to make it blend in better, or if they teased her natural hair out around her hairline. But this right here is definitely not this. I feel like the 14-inch makes it look a little bit more natural. I've seen some reviews of the longer ones. My girl Carrie, she had the longer version, but then she ended up cutting it up to pretty much 14-inch, and she wasn't really feeling it on her in the longer length, and I can agree, it wasn't really looking, you know, how I feel like it should have looked. It needs to be a little bit more distressed if you want this wig to look realistic. So if you decide to get this wig, I would definitely suggest going in and kind of rubbing the twist, you know, through your hands to kind of make it a little bit more bushier, just to give it more of a lived-in type of look. But I just wasn't feeling it, you know, down. I didn't like how it looked on me, so I just pinned her up in the ponytail and gave her more of like that that old school Lauryn Hill type of ponytail look, and I actually like it now that I have it up in this ponytail. It's still giving wig on the side, you know, it does come with the strings. There are no gaps in the wig because, you know, the strings kind of hold the twist down, but like right here, obviously that's not lace, that's, you know, that's the wig. I'm going for a more like effortless, crazy hair type of thing, especially for the ponytail. I feel like it would look really cute in a more disheveled look. And because the ponytail is only, you know, wrapped around once, I can kind of pull the hair through to make it, you know, do what it needs to do, okay? I'm always gonna have the bars. I did what I could, okay? Out the pack, I was not looking like a snack, okay? I wasn't giving, all right? But now I got that around the way slay. Yeah. If you want to put like a little scarf around this joint, you can definitely do that. So if you want to like wrap it up like this, like obviously all the hair in the back will be pulled up, but if you want to just wrap it up kind of like, you know, this little situation and do something like that, not exactly that, but you know, you can wrap it up and get, you know, some cute looks with that or whatever. If you already purchased it, you don't gotta waste your coin, is what I'm saying, okay? If you have not purchased it yet, then again, this may not be the one for you. Just because of what I had to do with it, you may not be, you know, as patient as I am. For me and my head, you know, I wasn't gonna let it win. I wasn't gonna let it win. I did spray the front down around here, just kind of keep it in place, but I didn't spray down the sides. I also am wearing the elastic band in this unit that is adjustable, and it is big head friendly. It's 23 inches and below, you should be good to go. If you're bigger than that, put her back, okay? Put her back. But y'all tell me down below what you think about this wig. Again, I feel like this could have been executed so much better, and this would have been like 100% A+ for me. It doesn't give natural, it doesn't give, you know, what I needed to give for, you know, this look, and you know, I'm disappointed. Okay, I'm disappointed. Like the look I had in my head, it translated a little bit. It don't matter how you wear it on your head, like this at least with the lace out, it's gonna look like a wig, okay? So if you want to have a more natural look, if you have edges or, you know, some hairline in the front, definitely go ahead and pull your hairline out and then twist your hairline into this. But you know, can't win them all. Give me a thumbs up for effort. So, you know. But that's all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to WigTypes for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link for this unit down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.